Welcome back to Naturalhub, where we dive deep into health topics to bring you the most valuable information. Today we're tackling a common yet often misunderstood ailment, tonsillitis. We'll explore the real causes behind it and share some natural remedies that can help alleviate its symptoms. First, let's understand what tonsillitis is. Tonsillitis is the inflammation of the tonsils, which are located at the back of your throat. It can be caused by viruses, bacteria, or even irritants like pollution or smoking. Viral infections. One of the primary causes of tonsillitis is viral infections. Viruses like the common cold virus or the flu virus can infect your tonsils, leading to inflammation and discomfort. These viruses are highly contagious and can spread through coughing, sneezing, or touching contaminated surfaces. Bacterial infections, particularly by Streptococcus bacteria, known as strep throat, are another common cause of tonsillitis. These bacteria can cause severe throat pain, difficulty swallowing, and sometimes even fever. Proper diagnosis and treatment are essential to prevent complications. Environmental factors, such as pollution, allergens, and smoking, can also contribute to tonsillitis. Exposure to pollutants or allergens can irritate the throat and tonsils, leading to inflammation and infection. Smoking in particular weakens the immune system and makes the throat more susceptible to infections. In some cases, a deficiency in certain vitamins, particularly vitamin C and vitamin D, can contribute to the development of tonsillitis. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in supporting the immune system, and a deficiency can weaken your body's ability to fight off infections. Similarly, vitamin D deficiency has been linked to an increased risk of respiratory infections, including tonsillitis. To address potential vitamin deficiencies, consider incorporating vitamin-rich foods into your diet or taking supplements under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Foods high in vitamin C include citrus fruits, strawberries, kiwi, and bell peppers, while vitamin D can be obtained from sources like fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and sunlight exposure. Now that we've discussed the causes, let's move on to natural remedies that can help soothe tonsillitis symptoms and promote recovery. Saltwater gargle. One of the simplest and most effective remedies is a saltwater gargle. Mix a teaspoon of salt in warm water and gargle several times a day. This helps reduce inflammation, soothes the throat, and can also help kill bacteria. Honey and lemon. A mixture of honey and lemon juice is another great remedy. Honey has natural antibacterial properties, while lemon provides vitamin C and antioxidants. Mix a tablespoon of honey with fresh lemon juice in warm water and drink it slowly for relief. Herbal teas, such as chamomile, ginger, and peppermint, can also provide comfort to a sore throat. These teas have anti-inflammatory and soothing properties that can reduce pain and inflammation. Rest and hydration. Finally, don't underestimate the power of rest and hydration. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated and give your body the rest it needs to fight off the infection. Avoiding irritants like smoking and pollution can also help speed up recovery. In conclusion, tonsillitis can be caused by viral or bacterial infections, as well as environmental factors. Natural remedies like saltwater gargles, honey and lemon mixtures, herbal teas, and proper rest can help alleviate symptoms and promote healing. However, if your symptoms persist or worsen, it's crucial to seek medical attention for proper diagnosis and treatment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and information. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.